Hello students, hope you all are fine. Today we will do chapter 6 and the name of the chapter is Tansen. Before starting the chapter, I would like to ask few questions. Do you like singing or listening to music? Which is your favorite song? I hope everyone loves music. Now let us proceed with the chapter. Tansen. Tansen is one of the greatest musicians India has ever produced. Though he was born in a Hindu family, he accepted Islam later. His father was a famous poet. Tansen was so keen to learn music that he left home when he was very young and stayed with Swami Haridas for 11 years as his disciple. It is said nobody could excel him in music except his own teacher and mentor, Swami Haridas. Now students, here excel means do better and mentor means guide. Disciple means follower and here it means student. So students, Tansen is one of the greatest musicians of India. He was by birth Hindu but he accepted Islam later. His father was a famous poet. He left his home to learn music and for 11 years he stayed with his teacher Swami Haridas. Nobody can sing better than him except his own teacher Swami Haridas. Very soon Tansen became a famous singer. Sometimes he sang before Emperor Akbar, who was so impressed with him that he asked him to become his courtier. Tansen joined his court in 1556. He was also made one of the 9 gems, Navratna, of the emperor court. He had no equals in music at that time, and it is believed that he performed miracles through his music. He could bring rain by singing a raga known as Megh Malhar. He could start a fire by singing Raga Deepak. Such was the power of his music that whenever he sang a particular raga in the court, candles lit up on their own. Now students, here impressed means moved, affected. Miracles means an extremely outstanding and unusual event. And raga means notes in classical Indian music. So student, soon Tansen became a great singer. Sometimes he sang before Emperor Akbar and he was so much impressed with Tansen that he decided to make him his courtier and also made him one of the 9 gems of his court. It was believed that he performed an extremely outstanding and unusual event through his music. It was said that Tansen could bring rain by singing a raga known as Megh Malhar and could start a fire by singing Raga Deepak, and candles lit up on their own whenever he sang a particular raga in the court. As he was an excellent musician, he became the emperor's favorite. The emperor would call upon him to sing any time during the day or night. Quite often he would just walk into his house to hear him practice. He also gave him many presents. Some of the courtiers could not bear the special treatment given to him. They felt very jealous of him. "We'll never be able to rest till Tansen is ruined," they declared. One of the courtiers, Shaukat Mian, had a bright idea. Now students, here ruined means finished. Soon Tansen became the emperor's favorite. Often the emperor would also visit Tansen's house to hear him practice. Emperor also used to give many gifts to him. Other courtiers felt very jealous of him because Tansen was given special treatment by the emperor. The other courtier decided to ruin Tansen, means to finish him. And one of the courtier, whose name was Shaukat Mian, was having a bright idea. "Let's make him sing Raga Deepak," he said. "How will that help us?" asked another courtier. "If Raga Deepak is properly sung, it can make the air so hot that the singer is burnt to ashes. Tansen is a very good singer. If he sings Raga Deepak, he will die and will be rid of him. One day Shaukat Mian went to Emperor Akbar and said, Your Majesty, we don't think Tansen is a great singer. Let's test him. Please ask him to sing Raga Deepak. Only the greatest singers can sing it properly. So Shaukat Mian suggested his courtiers to make Tansen sing Raga Deepak, because if Raga Deepak is properly sung, it can make the air so hot that the singer is burnt to ashes. He told other courtiers that Tansen is a very good singer, and if he will sing Raga Deepak, he will die. And then Shaukat Mian told Emperor Akbar, let's take a test of Tansen to see whether he is a great singer. He told Akbar to ask Tansen to sing Raga Deepak, because only greater singer can sing Raga Deepak. Of course, he can sing it. Tansen can sing anything, Akbar said. Then he asked Tansen to sing Raga Deepak. Tansen was afraid but could not disobey his king. Very well, Your Majesty, he said, but give me time to prepare myself. Then he went home. He had never been so downcast and unhappy. He narrated to his wife what had happened in the court. I can sing the raga, he told his wife, but the heat it gives off will not only set the lamps alight, it will also burn me to ashes. Then he had an idea. If someone sings Raga Megha at the same time and sings it properly, it will bring rain. Perhaps our daughter Saraswati and her friend Roopwati could do it. Emperor Akbar knew that Tansen was a great singer, and he asked Tansen to sing Raga Deepak. Tansen got scared, but he also can't disobey the Emperor Akbar. He agreed to sing, but at the same time, he asked Emperor to give him some time to prepare it. He was very upset and unhappy. He was upset and sad because if he would sing the raga, the heat it gives off will not only set the lamps alight but also burn him to ashes. Then he got an idea. The idea was, if someone will sing Raga Megha at the same time and sings it properly, it will bring rain. And this only his daughter Saraswati and a friend Roopwati could do it. He taught the two girls to sing Raga Megha. They practiced night and day for 2 weeks. Tansen told them, you must wait till the lamps light up in the court and then you start singing. The legend goes that on the appointed day, the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Raga Deepak. When he began to sing, the air became warm. Soon people in the audience were bathed in a perspiration. The leaves on the trees dried up and fell to the ground. As the music continued, birds fell dead because of heat and the water of the rivers began to boil. People cried out in terror as flames shot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamps. At once his daughter and her friend began to sing Raga Megha, and Tansen was saved. The story goes that he became very ill. After this, Emperor Akbar was sorry that he had caused Tansen so much suffering, and he punished his enemies. When Tansen got well, the entire city rejoiced. Tansen remained Emperor Akbar's court singer till 1585, when he died. Tansen taught the girls Raga Megha. They practiced for 2 weeks. He also advised them that they must wait till the lamps light up in the court and then they should start singing. And the day came when Tansen was supposed to sing Raga Deepak. The whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Raga Deepak. When he began to sing, the air became warm. The leaves on the trees dried up and birds died because of heat, and the water of the rivers began to boil. Soon people got scared as flames went high out and they lighted the lamps. At once his daughter and a friend began to sing Raga Megha, and Tansen was saved. But he became very ill. Emperor Akbar felt sorry. Because of him, Tansen fell sick and he punished his enemies. Tansen remained in Akbar's court till 1585. Tansen composed several new ragas during his lifetime. His contribution to the world of music is priceless. Even today he is considered to be the greatest of all, and there is no comparison when it comes to his style of singing. He is still worshipped by the leading classical singers and composers of the world. His tomb is in Gwalior. It is a place of pilgrimage for musicians. So students, Tansen composed many new ragas during his lifetime. His contribution to the world of music is priceless. He is still worshipped by the classical singers and composers of the world. He was buried in Gwalior, and it is a place of pilgrimage for musicians. By this we come to the end of the chapter. Thank you.